Hayi, ngiyanimukela. Mina ngingumfundisi Pastor Goodman Vusi Mamba from Tibane ICBC. If I can really give the testimony that since we started the church, I started with a little family of 3 members. So now I'm having 80 members in the church because of the help of Challenge Ministry, because we can reach them even material things needy, because we get food like rice packs. We are benefiting a lot. The community is benefiting a lot because here in Tibane we're having water. We've been helped to have water because water is so scarcity here. So they gave us water. Even the community is benefiting. We do care for the sick in the community. So they love the church because what we are doing, we are not concerned about spiritual only, but even material. So thank you so much.
Nginalabanye bomakele sebenza nabo lesinakekela nabo umango labang 8. Sinakekela ke labagulako nalabaphilako, sifundise ngenhlanteko. Sibashele nangeBhayibheli ke nje into etfaka phakathi lethu leBhayibheli. Sihambele lamakhaya ke sinakekela abagulako nalabaphilako, bafundise ngempilo ukuthi kuphilwa kanjani eFN.
Siyajabula kakhulu la Tibane ICBC ngaye preschool esinayo. Kulomnyaka wa 2023 sikhonile kuba nebantwana labang 36. Last year sibe nebantwana labang 31 last year. Then this year bang 36. So siyajabula kakhulu labantwana la tikolo lesinato because they are very far ema primary schools. So kumbita lo mntwana akhule mbambacine ngoba baya esikolweni seba above 6 years because ngeke khona kuhamba ngetinyawo aba esikolweni. So there is a great need ye primary, because if we are talking about kilometers from here to get a grade 1 primary school, the school about more than 20 kilometers from here. So it's a long journey.
My name is Kholiwe Nhlabathi. I am a preschool teacher here in Tibane. Asicilike ukuthi nje sifundise sinakete incwadi kuphela nekokuthi ke sidlalisana kanjani nasidlala. Ngicale lomnyaka lophelile nayicala le preschool. This is my 2nd year. Ingcinamba lesi sibe nato lefaka ekhathi stationery sami asiso lesikahle lokufaka ekhathi into leti kanjalo, but nalama toys abantwana ngoba ukudlala nje kude badlala lokucoshana kuphela kude le indlela badlala ngayo. Ekucaleni kwalomnyaka basibitile kuleti kolwa lebasuka la baye kuto, including ezindwendweni and emthunzini. Bangibita bangitshela lokho ukuthi bantwana labasuka lana bachuba kanjani lena bafika ka grade 1. Okay, bangibita emthunzini bangitshela ukuthi kude inkinga lebadibene nayo bamba kahle, nasetindwendweni kude inkinga lebadibene nayo bamba kahle. Ngisachubeka kanjalo ke ngalendlela labangitshela ngayo ke.
Labantwana bayafunda kahle kakhulu. Siyabonga kakhulu ku Challenge Ministry lokuthi nje bayakhona kuhla and they enjoy the school because lokuthi nasemakhaya, because we are living in a rural areas here where there is a scarce of food. So we encourage even labadala ukuthi bayadla